Did you know that donde and adónde are quite similar? Let's talk about that. Hi everyone! The word of the day is adónde. Adónde. This is an interrogative adverb and it is also a conjunction. Adónde means where. Adónde and donde are quite similar. Here's a tip. Adónde is used for locations and directions. It indicates motion towards a place. It is very similar to the English term where to. And today we will see how to use adónde. Adónde can be spelled as one word, adónde. And sometimes you will see this word as two words, adónde. Both are correct. Adónde works with feminine and masculine nouns, and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. ¿Adónde fuiste? ¿Adónde fuiste? ¿A dónde quieres ir? ¿A dónde quieres ir? ¿A dónde va esa persona? ¿A dónde va esa persona? No importa de dónde vienes, sino a dónde vas. No importa de dónde vienes, sino a dónde vas. No sé a dónde ir. No sé a dónde ir. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, leave me more examples using adónde. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!